Uniswap, powerhouse DEX, decentralized exchange on the Ethereum blockchain. Man, it's a powerhouse, right? Almost decentralized finance projects are happening through Uniswap. It does amazing things. It's revolutionized decentralized exchanges. Now everyone's copying. PancakeSwap is copying. You got 1inch, which is a DEX aggregator that links all kind of things together. So amazing things happening. But today we're going to focus on the technicals, right? What's the price action of Uniswap? Buying and selling, are we going to see all-time new highs? What should we anticipate? And we're going to use Elliott Wave theory and crypto. We're going to use Fibonacci and Elliott Wave. And if you haven't taken my free crypto trading masterclass, it's in the link below. And the reason why you should take it is because we're going to cover Elliott Wave, and I cover that as one of my 3 secrets. So before we jump in, I'm Jagir. I'm the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. I've been trading the currency markets for over 15 years. And in 2008, I was actually featured in this best-selling book, High Probability Trading Strategies, and we bring that knowledge and wisdom to the crypto stage, which I love, by the way. I love crypto. It is awesome. So let's just start fresh. Uniswap, bullish on the weekly momentum. Actually, just turned bearish, so it's kind of undecided. But the daily data will give us more information. We're going to focus on the daily, right? Daily chart. We've got this. It's bullish. Let's just focus on this indicator, the 13. Yeah, it's a bit cleaner, a bit crisper, tells us the highs and the lows. But what we're going to focus on is the macro picture first. So what do we see over here? Well, we see this really big move to the upside, right? From this point here, this really big move. It's not as clean, but we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the macro picture, we can say up here is 1. Let's see if we can get today within 5 minutes. I'm going to give you like a high level Uniswap, right? What do we anticipate after a wave 1? It was a correction. How many legs should a correction have? Well, it should have at least 3 legs. A, B, C, right? Price. So what would that look like? Let's just pop this here. Bum bum. Doing this live. I want to get Uniswap analysis on record because it's a powerhouse, and when bull season, next part of the bull season really kicks in, Uniswap's probably going to do incredibly well. So this is the macro and the intermediate. Intermediate meaning the ABC. Now the micro count of this ABC is an ABC of an ABC. What does that mean? All right, well, a wave B normally breaks down into an A, B, C, right? So just to make it clearer, I'm gonna get rid of the waves on this one, and we're gonna change it to micro, boom. Right, A, B, and we're anticipating the C over here. And that's what we're gonna focus on. So let's not even draw the retracement of the whole correction. Let's just focus on this wave B, because that's what's likely to occur in the next few days and weeks to come. So we're going to zoom in right over here. We're going to focus on this move down. It's nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the way down, and we're looking for a nice A, B, C. So what's the typical price? Well, typical retracement correction is 50%. Oh, let me do this. Oh, let me do it from here, actually. Let me do it from here. 50% is the minimum, and the maximum tends to be 78.6 to 62%. That's right. So we've got 3 retracement numbers over here. If this is the wave low, wave C low, or wave B, should I say, wave B over here or over here, which one's lower? It looks like over here. Right. If this ends up being the wave B low, it's not confirmed yet. We'll at least need this swing high to get taken out, and ideally this wave A to get taken out. But let's just say it was. Then the typical price, it's called the alternate time, price projection, is the 100%. Right. Look at that. Right there. Right, so let's put our cards on the table and go, right, it's typically likely to get to this zone over here. And the time taken, so there we have it actually. That's Uniswap for you, right? There's a likelihood that we're gonna see some price action to the upside between this zone. And we should anticipate this kind of move, right? Between there and there. Do you want to trade this long? I would say actually be patient. There's a lot of opportunities where there's a lot more upside movement potential, because what I'm waiting for with Uniswap, if this does unfold, remember, we can't guarantee being right. We're just looking at the probabilities when it comes to pattern, time, price, and momentum. And there's a few other things that we can take into consideration. But right now, all we can do is look at the data. This is a clear impulsive wave, and that's classic for a wave A. This is corrective A, B, and potential C. and then we should anticipate an impulsive wave to complete this wave 2 low, and then we should anticipate, we don't need to do projections for it right now because we're getting too ahead of ourselves, moves to all-time new highs. And this will probably correlate nicely with what Bitcoin is doing as well. So there you have it. A beautiful update with Uniswap. In fact, let's do a price. I'll do a price projection. Let's do it. I know you guys love price projections, right? Let's just do a quick price projection and then we'll finish up. So we're going to do this low to this high to what might be low down here. We want to go from, it's probably going to overextend, especially if in the latter part of the bull market where there tends to be panic buying, which is the 2.618. Let's have a look. Let's go straight to the 2.618. Let's see what that price is. Uniswap within this year, $120 is conservative, right? Where are we today? We're $23. So that's what, 600% on the underlying token price. But anticipate a wave B correction, a wave C, and then this wave 3 where we might go to $120 shooting to the moon. Right, so today, if you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We covered Uniswap today. We're going to cover a quote. Let's do a quote off the top of my head. Thinking of a quote. I've got so many quotes. I'm going to loop one. I'm going to loop one of my favorite because they say repetition is the mother of all skill. Beneath every success is a mountain of necessary failure. And failure equals learning. So keep training, keep learning, and we'll keep succeeding together. See you soon.